Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the essential inputs: origin, destination, and at least 2 date options. Enter airports and use nearby alternatives to expand options. This often lowers price. Set search parameters to flexible dates and select one-way or round trip as needed. Once done, switch to an incognito browser to avoid dynamic price increases. Make sure your currency and language settings are correct. You're ready for the first Google flight query. Type the route and flexible date range, then hit search and watch results populate. You now refine results by using Google's filters. Set maximum stops, preferred airlines, departure windows, and baggage reminders. Check the price graph and calendar to spot cheaper days. Drag the date slider to test small shifts. Use the map view to identify nearby airports that shave dollars off the fare. Once you narrow to a few itineraries, compare total door-to-door time versus savings and factor in transport costs to alternate airports, so your cheapest ticket is truly the best value. When you choose a flight, click through to the airline or reputable OTA and verify the final price including taxes and baggage. Don't assume Google's displayed fare covers fees. Use price alerts or hold options when available, and check the 24-hour cancellation policy before paying. If the fare vanishes at booking, refresh in incognito, try a different browser, or shift dates/nearby airport slightly. One key troubleshooting tip: clear cookies or use an alternate device to avoid cached, inflated prices before completing purchase.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.